We are live back at HQ Studios streaming some good old 2000 budget PC build. Well, not actually, but we are focusing on a stream build. Today we are doing some benchmarks. And next episode, we'll be doing some gaming while streaming tests and seeing how this really affects performance. Get hyped. Hyped. Alright guys, we are continuing to move upon in the budget and up in bench difficulty. This time we're benching at 1440p resolution, adding in a 144Hz monitor in hopes of achieving 144 frames per second with our favorite games. But first, we gotta know what's in this new bad boy, so here are the parts. To hold all these parts, we have, a ThermalTake case, which is an RGB edition. God, thermal, a lot of glass, show it all off. ThermalTake View 31. We're starting with the most important piece of the streaming puzzle for your build, the CPU. We went with the Ryzen 7 2700X processor. Core count is the name of the game when it comes to streaming, compared to our B.O.B Build, which had 6 cores and 12 threads. This is important because more cores allow for better priority for your game and your stream. To hold all these cores, we'll have this nice looking motherboard, the ROG STRIX B450F. And the aesthetic does not stop there. We got more RGB. We have 16 gigs of DDR4 ADATA RAM. Now for the big guns, we have the brand new RTX 2070. We have G-Sync enabled for 144Hz gaming to eliminate screen tearing and minimize display shutter. And of course, input lag. This will keep your games and most importantly, your stream looking sharp. NVIDIA has a thing called Shadow Play as well, which allows you to capture gameplay and its streaming features as well. And as well, the Dual comes with a 6-month subscription to XSplit to start you off. So lots of software to pick from. Streaming dreams, easy. Don't forget about RTX BF5. Now allows you to turn on RTX. Wow, exciting times to live in. Need a place to store all those games, capture all your footage, and hide your anime memes. Well, we have a data solution for you. Who wrote that? Oh my god, you're so proud of yourself. We start with a 480GB M.2 NVMe SSD to turn all your games super fast with this SSD. Additionally, we have the 2TB Seagate BarraCuda, a large drive to hold all your footage, streaming, and memes. And additional games you may not be playing as much, but they're still there because, you know, the winter Steam sale is coming. The August one just passed. You just never stop buying and playing. It's a game itself. Anyways, I'm not calling you out. And to power your dream of becoming the next ninja, we have the Supernova GQ Series 650-watt power supply by EVGA. Ooh. Here are the benches. We are pushing the system to the max to see what it can achieve. As of now, our new streaming PC friend is able to game easily at 1080p and 60 frames, like spreading room temperature butter on a stack of waffles. That's right, I don't like your toast analogy here. Our friend Bob was able to do this as well when it was pushed to limit with 1080p gaming at 144Hz. Now, to push our new PC friend to its absolute limit, we are benching it at 1440p at 144Hz. I'm pumped for these benches. Let's jump in! Fun fact, did you guys actually know that Fortnite was a dancing game? And it comes with guns, but that's just in case you didn't realize. And it looks awesome at 1440p on 144Hz. And well, we're able to attain 155 FPS on high setting with epic draw distance. Look, you can see your enemies flossing from far, far away. Next up is the non-dancing version of Fortnite. We have some hard-hitting PUBG. We're hitting 146 FPS on low settings with a medium draw distance. We've given up on a chicken dinner for us, and we have declared ourselves vegetarians, so we won't even want a chicken dinner anymore. Winner, winner, no thanks. Am I right? Overwatch is already vegetarian friendly, so we don't have to worry, Russ. We already know that you're not gonna get a win here either. And we got some 144p, 153 FPS on epic settings with shadows on medium. It looks crisp, like a nice bowl of salad with no chicken, of course. Thanks, Russ. We race into more jokes with Forza. I'm waiting for a chicken analogy here. We were on ultra settings and got 107 FPS, which is fantastic. The highest settings we've achieved so far in Forza. At 107 FPS, you feel like you were the speed. Amazing. For our streaming build, we are throwing in some single player adventures as well, with Shadow of the Tomb Raider, we all can't be streaming Fortnite. So to all you fork knife streamers out there, stay away from my single player games. So here's how the game performs. We got 67 FPS on max settings. It looks beautiful, hitting above that 60 FPS mark. Don't panic! We have 2 of the newest games on the market, Battlefield 5 and Blops 4. That's right, Blops, it's not getting a full name for me. These are some intensive games, gameplay-wise and graphic-wise. Since this is a first-person shooter, of course, to reach 140 FPS, we ran both games on low settings. This is important to get this for your headshot and reach that epic victory royale, stolen from Fortnite. We reached 130 FPS while playing Blackout with Battlefield 5. We were able to sneak in past our target and get 154 FPS. As tempting it was to throw on some RTX sheen, we decided it was best left for another video. And those are our benchmarks for our newest family member to our build series. That we will dub it at night next week when we get the stream results in, because we don't want to name it preemptively and you're like, what? So don't forget to check out our next budget build guides, as there will be more to come. So, what's next? Well, we're doing this whole streaming build extravaganza. We'll be testing out some gameplay while streaming. We'll have an exclusive Mixer Monday stream while testing out this PC, so you can kind of see the results live and, well, check it out yourself. So stay tuned. A little moment between you and me here, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget that subscribe bell button. Down there, I think. Yeah, right there. And you'll be notified when we upload and what's going on next. Don't forget to follow us, guys, on social media. Facebook and Twitter are the same, @MemoryExpress. And of course, maybe an official Memory Express. Instagram as well, @OfficialMemoryExpress. Kind of funny how that works. Official Memory Express, @OfficialMemoryExpress. Of course, you guys know this is the last video for November, so MEXP is very important right now. That's right, guys, we have 2 winners this month. That's right, we have the Kanto speakers up for grabs, and, well, you know, they're taking a lot of space up in the studio, so if one of you guys don't win them, I can't win. Even if I comment on the videos with the Memory Express account, it doesn't work that way. It'd be sick if it did. Stackable entries. Anyways, guys, that's it for this week. We will see you guys next week. We have a lot of cool stuff. We're kind of, you know, got a lot of stuff coming. It's gonna be spicy. Anyways, guys, I'm licensed now, so I could do that. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Just for measure. Cores. Aruga! Too many cores. They're powerful.